Changing the tip on the 939D soldering station is actually a very quick and easy thing to do. The first thing you need to do is make sure that it's unplugged from the power supply, and also make sure that it's cool because this gets very hot and you can burn yourself. Now, the next thing you would do is unscrew this little collar here, which is going to allow us to remove the holder for the tip. Sometimes after using it, this gets a little bit tight. You may need a pair of pliers or a small wrench to loosen it. But once it's loosened, you should be able to remove this very easily. So carefully remove this little collar, and here you can now remove the tip, the old tip that was previously on there. Now if you take a brand new tip or another one that you have, there's an opening in the bottom, it's hollowed out. You simply slide it very carefully over that ceramic heating element in there. Now one thing to remember is that ceramic element is very fragile, so be very careful when you put this on. Do not move it from side to side or push too hard on it. Then take the collar that you had on here before, carefully slide that back over, and then screw it back on the threaded section. And once you get that finger tight, you may want to take a pair of pliers and just tighten it a little bit more to make sure it's secure and there's a good heat transfer. And that's how you get the new tip of the 939D soldering station.